October 1, 1908. A Paquette Avenue plant in Detroit smells sharply of linseed oil and cast iron. A 20-horsepower, 4-cylinder machine rolls out onto the brick street. Price, $825.
Before 1913, automobile manufacturing was entirely artisanal. Teams of mechanics built one car at a time, fetching parts as needed. But at Ford's Highland Park plant, time was the ultimate enemy.
That rhythm was incredibly brutal, Elena. The physical toll of repetitive, relentless motion drove Ford's turnover rate to an astonishing 380% in 1913.
The scale of his ambition eventually outgrew Highland Park, culminating in the River Rouge Complex, completed in 1928. It wasn't just a factory, it was a sovereign industrial city spanning 2,000 acres in Dearborn.
Yet the man who built the future harbored deeply reactionary, dangerous views. In 1919, Ford purchased a local newspaper, the Dearborn Independent, and used it to publish a weekly series of virulent, anti-Semitic conspiracy theories.
His absolute dictatorial control eventually paralyzed the company's engineering innovation. While Alfred P. Sloan at General Motors introduced consumer financing, multiple colors, and the annual model change, Ford stubbornly clung to the Model T.
The final chapter of Ford's life is genuinely Shakespearean in its tragedy. He continuously undermined his brilliant son, Edsel, who had designed the beautiful Lincoln Zephyr and desperately advocated for modernization.
3 takeaways define the Ford legacy. First, the 1913 moving assembly line at Highland Park forever altered manufacturing, dropping assembly times by 90% and birthing mass production.